All right, my fellow boat carriers, you may say, why are these bamboo poles here? This, my friend, is how we're going to pick up the front of the boat. You know, the wheels go on the back right there with a little plastic bottle and the blue strap. That's the trailer dolly wheels. They go on the back there, but we have to lift up the front. And here's our cleats here. So we're going to strap these to the cleats. One of them, not two of them. I got an extra, actually got 3 of these, but the other one's over there drying in the sun because it was still a little green. Dry bamboo is stronger than green bamboo. Green bamboo will bend because it's wet, you know, inside, and it gets hard and stiff whenever it dries out. So yeah, we're gonna strap this on here to this cleat, strap it to that cleat, and then one guy can lift here, another guy or 2 guys can lift there, and another guy can lift there, and we'll roll it around out that way over, as I've said many times, these rocks. We have ramps that I bought and had milled 1x6 on wood that we're going to try to use for ramps over these rocks and stuff, so the wheels will try to roll it over there instead of try to pick it up. Some guys want to pick this up, and it's like, no, it's got wheels. Let's try to roll it. If we can roll it, we'll roll it. If we can't, then we pick it up. But that's basically how we're moving, our plan to move this catamaran out. We are driving the boat, folks, through the jungle. Actually, it was a jungle before, but right now it's. Put the tires down. Now what?
Hey, bro.
Huh? Huh? What?
You tie already? You tie?
It's as good as it's going to get.
Okay.
But just try to go smooth. But that big rock is going to be interesting. Yeah. Yeah. This one's going to be fun. There's a huge rock here about 2 feet high. So we got to pick it up and go over the rock, down. Everybody's having fun. This is it. This is what's called a cluster, folks. And we're trampling the taro plants. The guys at the back with the small tires should be at the front, but they're going to set it down. We're rolling pretty good. It's actually working pretty good. The front is the one. How are we doing? See the rolling wheels? It's actually working. I'm amazed. Now the stairs is going to be fun. Now the stairs are going to be fun. Yeah, honey, tell them whenever we go down the stairs, keep the front end high so it's almost flat. Because if it's down more, it's going to try to push them.
So why did you push that one? This one first,
no.
This one really last.
No, this one first. And just raise it up high like this and walk.
No, brother, we cannot force this one. This they will face there. So with this, I will this, and then this one will be forced from here, going to down. Some people will be hold because if that one will be going there, it's hard.
High.
Huh?
It's too high for them.
Well, if
It's easy. This one first. Go down to the stairs.
Okay, try it. Is that what you think? Okay. Okay, spin it around. We're going to spin around and we're going to try to back down the stairs. I don't know. Yeah, spin around. I'm not sure about this going down backwards. Are they going to go first? I don't know. Maybe they're going to go front first. I don't know. We'll see. There's big stairs here, folks. But the good news is the stair steps are wide. There we go, just like a rickshaw. Just like a rickshaw. They're gonna have to get this end up high. Need to come over here. See, folks, stairs. We have stairs. Yeah, come over this way more. This is here, honey. Honey. Yeah, honey. What? There. Okay, this is the scary part, but again, these steps are really wide. They're like 18 inches or so wide. So we're coming down, but they gotta lift the front up high, and they gotta walk down backwards. Here we go. I gotta count these people because I gotta give these people about 100 pesos each for this, and I don't know if I have that many 100 peso bills. But the wheels are holding up. They wiggle some, but they're I'll stand on this rock and watch this. Now, hopefully it floats. This is McCoy. He's really giving me a lot of good advice. Woo! Well, the front end floats down, honey. But once we get the engine on and stuff, and all the load will go in the back, the front won't be that high. Okay. Farewell. Bon voyage. We're in the ocean, but see, the front is down low. But once we put the engine on and stuff. Okay, honey. Honey, you're supposed to be over here with me. Okay, we're going to go get the engine and put it on. And then, yeah, we can take off the wheels. Yeah. No, yeah, honey, you have to show him how. Tell him, wait, I'll show him. Yeah.
The engine,
Ay, kamao na si Kuya Celso. Tara, ayaw sa kaligid, Kuya. Tao man daay. Ayo, biraha, Kuya. I-press ana siya, i-press ana. I-press ra. I-press ra. Ay, asa ka na ibutang yun. Ito siguro na ilang Kuya Makoy. Kuya Makoy na. Allah. I-press tong kuan. I-press. Ana. Kagamay biday na tanawang dagat na oy. Gamay ka tanawang dagat. Kalawang gana de oh.
Agustingan ni karne.
Tangog na, buta ka ni kuan. Tungod bimat ba?
Gusto mo ba?
Dia lang sana Kuya. So, mana siguro video paungo na siguro na ako Paungo na ko ni